Ready? What's A for?
Apple.
What's B for?
Baby.
What's C?
Cat.
What's D?
Dog.
What's E?
Butt.
E.
Egg.
What's F?
Fish.
What's G?
Goat.
What's H?
Hat.
What's I?
Igloo.
What's J?
Jump.
Jump. What's K?
Kangaroo.
What's L?
Lollipop.
Lollipop. What's M?
Monkey.
What's N?
Noodles.
Noodles. What's O?
Octopus.
What's P?
Popcorn.
What's Q?
Queen.
What's R?
Rainbows.
Rainbows. What's S?
Snake.
Snake. What's T?
Train.
Train. What's U?
Umbrella.
Umbrella. What's V?
Lace.
Vase. What is W?
Woodpecker.
Woodpecker. What is X?
Fox.
Fox. What is Y?
Yawn.
Yawn. What's Z?
Zoo.
Zoo. Man, that's a good job, buddy.
How would be zoo die?
A zoo is a place with a lot of animals.
What about Play-Doh with what?
What's Play-Doh start with?
P.
P. That's right. Good job.
What's
What
about
green start with?
Green. G.
Green. G.
G. Good job.
You start with green.
I start with G. Yes. Gary starts with G. What does Ryan start with?
R.
What does Katai start with?
Butt.
K.
K.
What's Mommy start with? Mommy. Mommy.
M.
Good job. What's Brownie start with? Brownie.
Brownie. D.
No, B. Brownie. Brownie.
B.
Like balloon. Brownie.
G.
Baby.
Oops.
What's cough start with? Cough. Cough.
What's fart start with?
Fart. F. Fart.
It's funny, Mommy. What butt start with?
Butt. What's it start with? Butt. Like brownie and baby. Butt.
Butt start with B.
B. Yeah.
And what about joy?
Joy. Joy.
J.
J. Yeah, that's right. That's right. J.
And what about feet?
Feet.
F.
Feet. Good job.
And